Yes.
I am suffering from the hiccups. It's an annoying thing to happen. I'm sure everybody has had this problem. So I'm going to share a secret family recipe passed down from generation to generation. And my wife actually said, you know what, you should make a video and show everybody else how to get rid of the hiccups. So I'm going to wait just to give you proof that I am suffering from the hiccups. It's coming. Here it comes. It's coming.
Oh my God.
It's coming, it's coming. I just felt something. Trust me, I had the hiccups. There it goes. They did this little hiccups, but they're hiccups nonetheless. They used to be worse, but now they're better. Now what you do is just this. It's pretty easy. Go like this. Go. Say 1, 2, 3. That is optional. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's a good chunk. 10. I am cured. You can hold it, you can see. Living proof. Guaranteed no hiccups, right? No hiccups, right? For sure? Okay.
Stop.
Got nothing happening yet. It's working good. There you have it. Hiccup free. You hear any hiccups? Anything? Okay. It worked.
No.
Alright, let's cut it short, Tech.
Ew!
Alright, stop it.
He actually licked it.
Stop.